In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to record macros in Google Sheets so you can automate repetitive tasks and save time. First, open your Google Sheet and go to the top menu. Click on Extensions, then hover over Macros and select Record Macro. Now, you'll be asked to choose between absolute and relative references. In most cases, choose relative references so the macro works based on your current position in the sheet. Once recording starts, perform the actions you want to automate. This could be selecting data, formatting cells, or clearing values. Whatever you do here will be recorded step by step. After completing your actions, look for the option to save the macro. Give it a name that helps you remember what it does, then confirm. Now your macro is ready to use. Anytime you want to repeat those actions, go back to Extensions, open Macros, and click on the macro you created. Google Sheets will instantly repeat all the steps for you, saving you from doing the same work again and again. And that's it. With macros, you can speed up your workflow and make your spreadsheets much more efficient. If this helped you, give it a like, drop a comment, and subscribe for more quick and practical tutorials.